So you have a drone and you're going to Japan. You can actually take your drone with you. You just need to do a few things first. So the first thing you need to do is you need to register as a drone pilot in Japan. After that you can pay the fee and then you wait for approval, and they also send you your registration ID which you can put on the drone. And once you're in Japan you need to import your remote ID and you're good to go. So to register as a drone pilot you need to go to the DIPS website. Then you can go and click on login. Open an individual account. And you need to scroll down through all the terms. You cannot click the second box, you need to open this link. And only then you can finish the first step. So the second step is writing your name and address and all that stuff. I'm not gonna go through all that. There are many other videos on YouTube where you can look into this. You don't have to worry about remote ID before you are in Japan, because you're not gonna find it in the DJI Fly app. It's just not there yet. But once you have landed in Japan and turned your drone on, you're gonna see remote ID. Identification, then you open it and you need to import the data from your drone. And then you need to log in your DIPS app. And at the bottom, agree and cooperate. And then the remote ID is active and you can fly. So the map for the restriction zones is called Maps GSI Go JP. And here you can see all the restriction zones, the green ones being airports, and red zones are the densely populated areas where it's not allowed to fly. You need special permissions to fly in these areas. But outside of these areas, it's pretty much like anywhere else in the world.